Hello everyone. We have changed from adding fractions to now we are subtracting fractions. I'm going to go through our problem set that we had today and show how we are working with our big ideas to solve our subtraction problems with fractions. And our fractions are actually involving whole numbers now, so it is a little bit different. So what we do first is we look at our whole number fraction, and this one has fourths. So our whole is going to be divided into fourths, but we're still going to divide our second square into fourths. Our shading, we are going to shade the whole, and we're going to shade the fourth. I had some friends that were getting a little confused on this, so what we're going to do first is we're going to take our two squares. Here we have our 1 1/4, and we are going to do the horizontal lines based on what we are subtracting. And here we are subtracting thirds, so we're going to go ahead and place our horizontal lines. But before we shade out what we are subtracting, we are going to count our new fraction and find out what our denominator is first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So our new denominator is going to be 12, which means our denominator is not going to change. So now we count how many we shaded for our 1 1/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 twelfths. Now we're going to take our pencil, marker, whatever, and we're going to shade out 1/3. Here our whole was separated into thirds. I am going to take out this third. How much did I take out? 1, 2, 3, 4 twelfths. And what is 15 minus 4? That is 11 twelfths. Okay, I'm going to show it again over here. This time we have fifths. So I'm going to divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Had a little bit bigger. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What am I shading? I'm shading one whole and 1/5. So that is the whole that I will be subtracting from. Now we need to find our new denominator. So we are now using our horizontal lines for thirds, because my fraction I'm subtracting says I have to go into thirds. So my new denominator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So my new denominator is going to be the same in my subtraction problem and in my answer. Now again, I am going to subtract 1/3. That was my 1/3. Excuse me, I forgot to do my first step, and like I told the kids today, sometimes we make mistakes. So my whole number and my fifth are all of these added together. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18 fifteenths. And I count all of them. What am I subtracting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when I say count all of them, some of them would leave them out if we subtracted them first. We still need to count those. We count everything in this 1 1/5 for this fraction. Then I count what I marked out, 5 fifteenths. 18 minus 5 is 13 fifteenths. I want to do one that's a little bit different than the fifths and thirds. So let's go to the sevenths and thirds. So I'm going to divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I have 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I need 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts. Now I need to shade my one whole. And it says I'm going to have an additional 2 sevenths. This is my 1 and 2 sevenths. Now I'm going to do thirds. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So let's go back and make sure we count. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 is my new fraction denominator, and that does not change across. How many do I have shaded? I have 21 here, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 21st. Now I am subtracting 1/3. So I'm subtracting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 21st. 27 minus 7 is 20 21st. We are going to have some word problems. Again, if they read the word problems, it should give you the subtraction sentence. Jim jogged around the lake in 1 1/4 hour. William jogged the same distance in 5/6 of an hour. How much longer did Jim take than William in hours? So how much longer? Well, we have to do the subtraction to find that difference. So we have here fourths and sixths. So first what we have to do is we have to take our wholes and use our vertical lines to separate it into fourths. How many do I have? I have 1 whole and 1/4. This should be 1 1/4. That is 1 1/4. Now I am separating it into sixths. There's 3 and 6. 3 and 6. Now I'm finding my new denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 18, 24. How many do I have shaded for the 1 and the 1/4? I have 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 24ths. Now I am crossing out 5/6. So there's 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, and 5/6. So how many did I cross out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20. 30 minus 20 is 10. And what we learned today is that this may not be the simplest answer. 10 24ths are both even numbers, so they should be divisible by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 5/12ths, and 5 and 12 do not have a common number. So Jim took 5/12ths took 5/12 hours longer to jog than William. So they will be looking for that subtraction sentence in the word problem. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.